How to change language in Waze. Want Waze to talk in your favorite language? Let me show you how to change it in just a few taps. Open the Waze app, tap the three line at top left corner, tap the setting from the menu, scroll down and tap General, then tap Language. Waze support dozens of languages, so pick the one you're most comfortable with. Once selected, Waze will automatically update its menu, voice, direction, and alerts in new language. Want a voice direction in a different language than the menus? Inside settings, go to voice and sound, then tap Waze voice and pick a different voice language. After that, Waze speaks your language, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy Waze tricks. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.